Alright. Alright, this is Jankstopher over here trying to
G5 over here.
Silk Cashmere trying to do the video right now. So this is us. We're doing it big things. We got a record deal. I found out. Somebody called us up and we doing really big things. So right now we got to showcase our skill a little bit. The record producer said it's alright, so we're gonna sing a little bit of Shy, If We Ever Fall in Love Again. Or I might say that wrong, but either way, you know what song I'm talking about. So my man Jeff right here gonna be the first one, leading off with the undertones. I'm gonna hit it up with the first verse. We're gonna alternate, give y'all a taste of both of them.
Alright, okay.
Maybe a little bit too much.
Okay.
Maybe it was too much. Maybe it was too much.
Shut up. Ooh,
na-do, na-do. Ooh, na-do, do-do. Ooh, na-do, do-do. Ooh, na-do-do. The very first time that I saw your brown eyes, your lips said hello, and I said hi. I knew right then you were the one. But I was caught up in physical attraction, but to my satisfaction, baby, you were more than just a face. And if I ever fall in love again, I will be sure that the lady is a friend. And if I ever fall in love so true, I will be sure that the lady's just like you. Oh, yeah.
Second verse, son. Second verse.
The very next time she'll be my friend.
Okay. If I say that I can be your one and only,
promise
that you never leave me lonely. That'll be the one you need. Oh baby, ooh, I just wanna be the one to serve you. Sometimes I feel as if I don't deserve you. Every moment that we share. And if I ever fall in love again, I will be sure that the lady is a friend. And if I am in love so true, I will be sure that the lady's just like you. Yeah,
that's about it right there.
That's how we do it.
We killed it.
Silk Cashmere.
Hope you know we did the thing, and hope you enjoyed it. Silk Cashmere. We sounded great. I mean, you gotta be some sort of stupid idiot, retarded. Yes, I used the R word, retarded, to not like the song. So
that's real. That's real. Huh? Can I say something? Cause y'all always taking the microphone.
My bad.
You don't leave me with no lines.
It's right here. First, this will give me it. But yeah, go ahead.
See this right here?
Go ahead.
Read my shirt. Hold on a second.
Hold up.
Jacket kind of tight.
All right.
Say, I'm not lucky, I'm good.
Well, I'm not lucky, I'm blessed. Take that.
Yeah, but I was trying to throw Jesus. Anywho, I just want to say I want to appreciate all the ladies coming out tonight to watch online concert. Yes, you might have thought it was just a viral video, but really and truly it's a concert.
Always.
Alright, we coming to local neighborhood near you. Local driveway near you, in the car, music turned up. I got the 212s in the back.
You already know it.
So shoot, you already know we about to.
You might even see us in a drive-through like that. You trying to order some food.
Might. Can I hit the freestyle now?
You can.
You might see me in the drive-through wearing blue and red all day, every day, all day. No lie, we in the drive-through. Get a super size French fry, milkshake, candy bar. But not at the drive-through though. Best believe busting through the front door of the grocery store. Give me some milk, give me some cookies. I'm I'm a fat boy and I likes to eat.
NWT.
NWT. I'm a nigga with titties, a man on a mission. Best believe a nigga on a mission for the biscuits with the extra gravy and the syrup. And you know I pour up all the Kool-Aid in your house, clearing out refrigerators. I'm the milkman, cause I'll be just replacing them, always misplacing them, disspacing them. I'm done.
That's
man.
it. That's it.
I just
That's
out-rap my own self.
He out rapped his own stuff.
Video
I can't
over.
even hang with this.
It's over.
That's it.
It's over.
Like
It's
no more
over.
said.
It stopped.